I often wonder how a person can be comfortable choosing a lawyer from the yellow pages or from a television ad. The only way to choose a lawyer is to meet that person, evaluate their experience, and decide for yourself if that's the person you want representing you. The relationship between a lawyer and a client is one of the most important relationships you can imagine. Our clients trust us because they see the work that we do on their behalf and we communicate regularly with them. It's important. It's important to give clients regular updates about their cases. It's important to return their calls promptly. They're small efforts on our part, but they're so important to clients. Parker Scheer is a trial firm. Some law firms accept cases with the idea of settling cases. We accept cases with the idea of getting the best result possible for our clients. A big part of what we do is trying to evaluate the difference in a person's life before the accident as opposed to after the accident. And one of the ways we do that is by learning as much as we can about what their life was like before the accident and comparing it with the quality of life after. Very serious injuries often impact some of the most personal aspects of a person's life. And in that regard, the relationship that I form with my client is essential to my gaining access to that information and effectively communicating it to the people who need to hear about it. There's no doubt in my mind but that the relationships that I've formed with my clients over the past 20 years has probably had more to do with our success than any other factor. At the end of the case, I want every client I represent to feel as though they made the best choice possible.